I've got a great appreciation for what our field leaders do, and the men and women as part of Grunau employees since the COVID pandemic and certainly the lockdowns have been on the front lines as essential workers, working in a really different and challenging environment.
So I would just say, thank you. It's been a long haul. It's been a troubling time. Different than anything we've ever known. And I just appreciate all the efforts, all the time they've spent in the shop and in the field, and how we've powered through this.
And tell all of our different employees and team members thank you, and that I really do appreciate the sacrifices that they've been making on behalf of the company.
Well, I'd like to say thank you. What is asked of them is in many ways different than what's asked of other people.
And all through this, while others were able to work from home and take care of family and kids that were, not in school anymore, our employees on the front lines were out there, making it happen and taking care of our customers.
They're the best guys we've ever had. They're the best guys around. I mean, the most knowledgeable. They're great workers. They just do a fantastic job for us. And without them being the face of the company, they're out there on a day-to-day basis taking care of our customers and stuff. We wouldn't have any customers. So they're where the tires meet the pavement, you might say.
But our field leaders went to work every day. The level of professionalism allowed us to continue to be able to perform. And just the resiliency and bouncing back.
We do appreciate everything that they've done, because they've had some real ups and downs in this period. And they have been very dedicated.
All our field leaders who every day went out and put themselves on the line and did the great work that we all were very proud of. I'm just very grateful, so just want to say thank you.
So I just have a very, very deep appreciation for all the hard work, the dedication, and just being on the front lines in those times. So I would like to say thank you deeply for all that you do.